Here are 10 ways that you can create content that your buyers will love, share, and most importantly, trust. Now, let me ask you this. Who do your buyers trust? They don't really trust you if they don't know you yet. They don't trust the brand. Who do they trust? Well, they trust their colleagues, peers. They potentially trust industry influencers and thought leaders. And that's your playbook right there. Involve these people that your buyers trust in your content creation. And here are 10 ways in which you can do exactly that. Number 1, answer your buyers' questions. The questions that you receive on sales calls, the questions that your buyers ask in target communities where they hang out, or analyze content and posts from the thought leaders and industry influencers and read the comments that the buyers are posting in the questions that they're asking them. Number 2, run market research with the buyers. Now, what is really cool about this approach is that you can talk to the buyers, start conversations and relationships with the buyers and talk to them about their challenges and goals. While building that relationship, you are actually creating expert content, buyer-generated expert content that you can use to warm up those other accounts before reaching out. Pro tip, publish your research like we did here on a website that your buyers already trust. Number 3, run live podcast interviews with the thought leaders or influencers. Help your buyers by connecting them to the people they look up to. The easiest way to grow your audience and authority is to tap into an existing audience and authority. Number 4, create case studies together with your clients. Remember, clients don't trust you. They don't trust your brand. They trust their peers. So feature your clients, for example, in a podcast interview or otherwise, and make the story about their success and not yours. Number 5, run a virtual summit. Our Full Funnel B2B Marketing Summit generated more than 3,000 signups, and we connected with more than 40 B2B marketing leaders and generated a stream of inbound requests. This is another instance of that strategy where you are borrowing or tapping into an existing authority and audience of the industry influencers and thought leaders. Number 6, share lessons learned. Whether these are lessons from your summit, your live podcast, or by just reading their content and their posts, feature your buyers and influencers by sharing what you have learned from them. Number 7, create a write-up guide together with the buyers and influencers. Expand on the lessons learned into a detailed guide featuring your buyers and influencers and thought leaders. Number 8, run partner webinars. Other brands, companies who are serving the same audience but are not direct competitors have worked very hard to create trust and to create authority with their audience. You can partner up with them and run educational webinars where both you and the partner invite their audience and you do kind of an audience swap and expand your influence and audience like that. Number 9, feature influencers' LinkedIn posts. This is an easy one. Just curate the best LinkedIn posts around the topic your buyers care about from the people they trust the most. Number 10, create a community. Give your buyers a place to ask questions and recommendations and have discussions. You will become the part of the dark social. The Trenches, our B2B marketing community, has grown to more than 400 members in less than 1 month. But more importantly is the quality of people and the discussions. And here's a bonus. Number 11, run a community meetup. Now, in our community, the Trenches, we regularly run roundtables and other kinds of events and discussions. But face-to-face meetups are hard to beat. What is your favorite way to create buyer-centric content?